Question number 8a. Function f and g are defined by fx equal to secant x for the x between pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2. So we know that secant is actually 1 over cos. So secant x is 1 over cos x. So cos x, the graph is like this. So pi over 2 is this, 3 pi over 2 is this. When we have 1 over this, okay, so it will be from -1, less than -1. So we use Desmos, so we have the cos x, and the x is between the pi over 2 and the 3 pi over 2. So next we have the 1 over cos x. The graph is like this. So this is actually secant, SEC, secant x. Yes, this is secant x. So for the secant x, it will be less than -1. Okay, so the range of x will be the y less than or equal to -1. Okay, or we will say the f is less than or equal to -1. This one we have 1 over -1, then it will be -1. So for this one, it will be here. Still same lah, -1 lah. Okay, 1 over 0 will be infinity. Negative infinity. So this one also go to the negative infinity. So you imagine we have this one is 0.1 is -10, then 0.01 -100, and so on. Okay, so this one close to 0, then it will close to negative infinity. Okay, so this is why the graph look like this. Okay, next, solve the equation. So the x is f of 2 pi over 3. So this one is secant 2 pi over 3. So the x is 1 over cos 2 pi over 3. 1 over 2 times 180 divided by 3 cos 120. This one you have to change the degree. Cos 120 is -half. So the x will be -2. Okay. Given that GF exists, state the domain of GF. So GFX, so the fx is between the pi over 2 and 3 pi over 3. 3 pi over 2. Okay, so the domain will be this. Solve the equation of gfx equal to 1. So g of x, we need to find the value of g of x first. So this is the fx, this is the gx, so it will be the g secant x. So 3 secant square x minus 1. So g of x equal to 1. Then we have the 3 secant square x minus 3 equal to 1. So we have the 3 secant square x equal to 4. So the secant square x will be the 4 over 3. This is actually 1 over cos square is 4 over 3. So the cos square is 3 over 4. So the cos x is the plus minus of square root 3 over 4, that is the square root 3 over 2. So the basic angle will be the arc cos of square root 3 over 2, which is the 30 degree or pi over 6. But it's between pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2. So actually ASTC all we have to take. So we take the pi over 2 until 3 pi over 2. Pi over 2, 3 pi over 2. So we take these two values only. So the x will be this one and this one. So ASTC, this is theta, this is pi minus theta, this is pi plus theta. So we have the pi minus pi over 6 and pi plus pi over 6. So we will have the 5 pi over 6 and the 7 pi over 6. B, the function h is defined by hx equal to the ln 4 minus x. Sketch the graph of the y equal to hx, and hence sketch the graph of h inverse of x. So the graph for ln x is like this, and the ln of negative x will look like this, and we have the 4 minus x. So this is how the graph look like. Okay, and then we have the y equal to x, and we reflect this in the line. So this will be the 4 minus e power x. The graph will look like this. This is the f inverse. Okay. So for this one, ln 4 minus x, we have a asymptote at 4 here. And the graph is look like this. So the graph will look like this. And then we have the inverse. The asymptote will be here, 4 here. Okay, this one we go down here, then it will become something like this one go down here, and then the H inverse will be something like this. Reflected in the line y equal to x should be something like this. Okay, the answer given by the answer scheme look like this. So this one, when the x is 0, h of 0 is the ln 4. So this is ln 4 here. When y equal to 0, then we have the ln 4 minus x equal to 0, 4 minus x equal to e power 0, 4 minus 1 equal to x equal to 3. So 3 here. Okay.